guys, in front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and let me show you how to add photo to contact here. So firstly, open your phone dialer, switch mode to contacts and pick the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. Then click on edit and select add photo. Then either click on take photo or choose photo. And now you can smoothly grab a photo, just like this. So just grab your phone and just direct it to the face of your friend. And let me remove it. And if someone is not staying right in front of you, but still you've got his or her picture, just tap on choose photo. Let me choose gallery, and now select the picture that you would like to apply. You can customize it, tap on OK, and click on save. And as you can see, from now on, anytime Simone will be calling me, I will be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it. This is how you can personalize contacts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.